Hi guys, what's up? Salam HD. Back to Stadium PPJ untuk satu lagi perlawanan Liga Super. Hari ni midweek game, hari Rabu. First home game untuk Coach KPG. So jom kita layan perjalanan hari ni. Let's go. Okay guys, kita terjejas sikit beberapa fans Selangor. Saya jumpa nama siapa bang?
Nama saya Lokman.
Irsyad. Farhan.
Datang dari?
Shah Alam.
Semua Shah Alam Okay bang, sempena orang cakap kita dah masuk bulan transfer window ni kan. Bahagian mana yang abang rasa Selangor patut tambah baik?
Kalau bagi saya sendiri, bahagian tengah.
Bahagian tengah.
Dengan apa? Alex balik tu dengan Sapuan. So macam lagi compactkan tengah.
Okay, awak pula?
Saya rasa defend. Defend kita nampak fragile. So at least tambah 1-2 yang bagi saya berpengalaman untuk boleh lead defend kita, saya rasa dah cukup lah.
Okay, awak pula saya nak tanya prediction untuk game malam ni. Selangor Negeri Sembilan, game yang fight. Berapa awak rasa?
Selangor akan menang 3-1.
Okay, siapa skor?
Krigor, Mickey and Fortes.
Let's go. Cakap 1, 2, 3. Cakap Selangor
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Selangor.
Okay guys, saya dapat terkam satu lagi grup ni. Ramai-ramai ni. Tak pasti datang dari mana bro?
Okey, kita orang daripada UiTM Shah Alam.
UiTM Shah Alam. Ramai Hari ni tak ada kelas ke apa?
Hari ni ada kelas tapi demi Selangor kami datang waktu malam ni.
Mantap. So apa perasaan datang ramai-ramai stadium hari ni?
Okey, sebab ramai kita nak meriahkan stadium lah. Apalagi kita hentam tim lawan.
Okay, prediction awak. Selangor lawan Negeri Sembilan, berapa skor?
Alamak, okey. Prediction saya 2-1.
2-1 Selangor menang
Selangor menang.
Okay, jom ramai-ramai saya kira 1, 2, 3 cakap Selangor
Okey,
ready? Pegang mic.
Okey, 1, 2, 3.
Selangor! Okay guys, saya tangkap seorang lagi abang sebab saya minat tengok baju dia. Okay bang, nama siapa datang dari mana bang?
Okay, saya Hadid, datang daripada Kuala Selangor.
Okay bang, sempena kita masuk bulan transfer window lah orang cakap kan. So abang rasa bahagian mana yang Selangor patut tambah baik di mata abang?
Okey, bagi saya defense tu dah okey dah, keeper pun okey. So bagi penyerang mungkin jurulatih baru ni akan menaikkan semangat pemain lah.
Okay, hari ni lawan Negeri Sembilan, berapa prediction abang?
Tak minta banyak sebab itu hari pun kita pun dah tu kan. So mungkin 2-1 pun dah cukup lah.
2-1 siapa skor bang?
Biasalah kapten.
Mickey.
Biasa itu memang favourite saya lah.
Baik, thank you bang.
Muhammad Malik Jamil Abu Al-Zani. Pemain nombor 6 Leng Noah Hamzah. Pemain nombor 8 Nur Alvin Muhammad Khalid Al-Rawateh. Pemain nombor 10 Muhammad
Our castle, our fortress here. Okay, we need to protect our family. Okay, we need to care about our faith. Okay, so we go there. I tell you, all come from spirit and heart, right? Mental. Okay, unit as a team. Okay, also respect. Opponent, we have to be respect. I don't want to be you disrespect to be casual like that. So respect means I go to hit. Right time to go to hit. We fight to win. Okay? All the best, boys.
The last game, I think it's all history. Whenever you talk about it, you will add on additional pressure that we don't want to. Okay? When we go out from this door, we know the responsibility that we have. Everybody in this room has to take the accountability. Okay, no matter what we do on the pitch, it has to be a collective performance. Okay? There's no individual in this team, like I always say. And remember what I said yesterday. To be successful, to have success in our nature of football or in our field of job, it's not about how you start the race. It's always about how you end the race. And when you think about it, we are not even close to the finishing line. We are far edge or far fetched from the finishing line. Okay, whatever they do, whatever they play 4 or play 5, it's all about us, how we control the game, how we manage the game. Okay, whatever it is, when I say yesterday, low intensity, when it comes to low intensity, but the passes has to be still quality. The movement has to still be sharp. Okay, when we shake them from left to right, we have to do it fast. But then again, the pace of the game has to be from you guys. Whatever it is, all the best, okay?
So, guys, be focused, be ready. Go out there. Don't mercy. No mercy, okay? Any single thing, we must win. Every ball, we must win. Mentality. Hey, this is our home. Don't let them come easy. Take our point. Go back. This is our home. We need to protect our home. Together, family, we fight until the end. Anything happens, we protect everyone. This is Selangor, guys. 90 minutes, very important about our team. 3 points. Get 3 points. Let's go. Fight. 1, 2, 3. Go!
Para hadirin yang dikasihi, mohon berdiri bagi menghormati dan menyanyikan bersama-sama lagu kebangsaan Malaysia, Negaraku. antara pasukan Selangor FC dan Negeri Sembilan FC.
happy here. Okay? We continue to go, eh? We are never satisfied. We go ahead, eh? All the best.
Noah, what a goal!
Vamos!
Great win. 3 in the pocket, yeah?
Alhamdulillah
3 poin.
3 poin untuk arwah nenek saya yang pergi semalam.
Okey.
More 3 points, huh? Let's go.
Oh?
Well, in the pocket.
Yeah. Vamos!
3 mata.
Lagi sekali.
3 mata.
Lagi sekali.
Cukup.
Cakap sikit, Cok. Alah, Cok. Cakap sikit, Cok. Kata-kata semangat sikit. Kata-kata hari ni.
3 point.
In the pocket. Hey!